Here we go. Your dry ingredients first, do 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt. Now go ahead and stir and just give it a good mix. Okay, now for the wet ingredients, start with 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg. Now go ahead and whisk it together. Don't do it too hard. Now go ahead and add your dry ingredients in slowly and just mix it up. Now continue mixing it until it becomes a tacky dough. Now with some flour down on the surface, go ahead and put your dough out. Go ahead and flatten it out. We're gonna make a square. Okay, so we rolled it out to about a 1/2 inch thick. Grease is at 325. Okay, now we just wait 3 minutes on each side. Put some paper towels, let the grease drain. Add some powdered sugar. And there's your New Orleans beignets.